Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Create subassembly from Polyline. This is a requested video, so this will not in the series of the tutorial. One of my friends requested me to make this video, so uh, I draw. I have the structure, and only for this portion I will make subassembly. The same like then you can make the subassembly for the other portion also. So I draw a polyline here on the portion for which I want to make subassembly. If you want to put 5 here, you must draw a polyline, not circle. So polyline will convert to subassembly. So I will then I will copy this polyline outside here, and what will I do? I will click on this, and I will go to home, then and create design. There is create subassembly from polyline, and corridor create subassembly from polyline. From each place you can take this. I will take create subassembly from polyline here. Then I will click on the it's the name automatically appear because I give it before I make it. So I will click OK, view edit with shading or without shading, no problem. Now it's erase the old polyline and the downs. Now if I will check this structure for subassembly, nothing, points uncoded, links uncoded, and shapes also uncoded. Why we need this point code and link code and shape code? If we want to calculate material for this portion, we must give a shape code. If we want to make a label for this point and show slope and this area, we must give code to these all points and links and shape. Otherwise, if you don't need, just simply draw this one and put here the set slope, what size slope you need, this, and calculate cut and fill. So now the main thing is I will make code. Already I have made this all, so I will show you 1 or 2 points because it take too long time to make all. So then you will make like this. So I will click on this one, and this here I will come to add code, enter code. Suppose this is point number 1, so I will put point number 1 and select the point. Now the color of the point change. If I will hover over the point, the cursor, it's showing the point code now. Before it was showing no code, uncoded. This one uncoded, and this has code. The same I will click here and add code. For the next one I will put point number 2 and I will click on this. So when the color of the point change, it means it's coded. The same like I will make for link, add code. This is datum, datum, and I will select the link. Now if you will check the shape, the color of the line change, and it's showing the link code is datum. There nothing. Same like I make all coded for 1 by 1. When you finish all coded, then you will what will you do? You will select this and you will go to add shape. Add shape mean you will select all shape from here, and then OK. The one main technical point is the origin. If your datum is here, datum point or design point is this, so you must specify origin this one. Or if your design point is this, you must specify the origin point. Just select on this and modify origin. If your inert level is this one, you will follow the design here, so make this one or this one. suppose I will make this one the origin. So when I connected this to subassembly, this point will connect automatically this. So click on this one, the assembly, and sorry, click on the assembly and add to assembly. And when you click this one, this point is because when I specify the origin, this point automatically this point will connect to the assembly. Now this this assembly attached with assembly. This is now one thing. For the shape, what will I do for the shape? Now the shape is uncoded still, so I will go to the assembly property. What will I do? I will go to the view edit. I will change view edit shaded, and then inside this one the shapes, I will for the no shade and no coded, I will give shade. So this will appear there. Suppose this is balance or anything. Right? Okay, okay, and uncoded shade appear. Now I can give this code. If I will click on the assembly and I will give add shape, select the one and select, and then it's close. Rahim. So continuing to the previous class, create subassembly from polyline. We will add today how to add code to subassembly shape. Same like previous, I will draw polyline over the structure I want to calculate material for. Then I will give name to my subassembly. From the name, you must give different name to your structure. So for calculation of material, then you will know. I will add shape, and to this shape is now currently uncoded, so I will add code to this shape. Suppose I will give concrete name to this shape, and I will select. As it will attach a code, the color of the shade will change. And now if I will check, this shape is coded. Okay. Now I will specify origin. So it will attach exactly from where I want to attach this. For the other part, I will draw polyline. Suppose you have to calculate 2 or 3 material, different type of material in your subassembly. So how you will calculate? For the other parts, you will also draw same polyline like previous I draw. And then copy this polyline outside. Click on it, create subassembly from polyline, same like previous, and give a different name. The name of your structure, repref, anything you want to add, and define a origin. So it will attach exactly where you want to your subassembly. Assembly. Now select all the shape, and its shape will hatch. Now add code to the shape. Enter anything your structure name and click on it, and this color will change. Now these two structure have different shape and code. I will now create assembly. So I will attach these two structure subassembly to my assembly. Now I will first attach this subassembly to my assembly. You see, from the origin it's connected to assembly. Now the other structure and the same where I specify the origin is connected to assembly. If I will go to assembly properties, I will check the shape. The code will not be here, it will be in non-coded because I will import this two structure code to my assembly, and you see down the downside these two appear here at the last. If you have non-code shapes, you can attach H to them also from there. Okay, now if I will go to assembly property, you will see these two code which I have attached. It will come here concrete and the other one, but the style is still no hash shading or no label style. From here I can create the style for these two. You can give already existing and you can create new one. For the first one, what will I do? I will attach an existing style, anyone from any style that you want. You can attach to your shape. Suppose I will add this one, and for the concrete I will create new. How you will create new? You will click on this arrow, create new, give name to this shape, and from the display you can change color from here, hedge, anything you want you can change from this. There are different options you have. You can custom you can browse, you can change many things here as you want. You can try later on this, and I will create this. Now this concrete I create one new and one existing, and you see now my both of the shapes have code and different color. So if you will attach this to cross section, this you will make cross section, you can calculate different quantity